Hello friends, today we are going to perform an experiment on the diodes, that is the three-phase half-wave uncontrolled rectifier. And to perform this experiment we need an apparatus, three-phase variac, cathode ray oscilloscope, that is CRO, a kit having a 6 diode and a resistor of 5 watt 1 kilo ohm. To measure the output voltage and input voltage we need a voltmeter. We will use these two multimeter in order to measure that. So let me introduce each and every equipment which required to perform this experiment. So friends, this is a three-phase variac which having a delta connection at the input side and the star connection at the output side. So we can use this variac for the performance of the three-phase uncontrolled rectifier, half-wave rectifier. We will give the supply to this three-phase variac from this power supply which is coming in the laboratory, that is the three-phase. The three-phase voltage can be varied with the help of this stud which is on the top of this variac. We will use this multimeter in order to measure the voltage of input AC and the output DC voltage which will come across this load. This is a kit which having a different 6 diodes and one power resistor which having a 5 watt rating and 1 kilo ohm of resistance rating. We will use these particular 3 diodes to perform the three-phase half-wave rectifier, uncontrolled rectifier. The next is CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope, that we will use to measure the waveform which will come across this 1 kilo ohm resistor, and we will compare this output voltage waveform with respect to the input waveform also with the use of this cathode ray oscilloscope. So friends, let us first of all connect all the apparatus as per the circuit diagram which you can see on your screen. So this input voltage will come toward this first of all input side of the three-phase variac. So you can see here that the R is connected with the R, the Y is connected with the Y terminal, and B terminal of the input is connected with the B terminal of the variac. And this output side terminal we will connect at the kit side which having the different diodes and the resistor. We will use R, Y, B and N as per the diagram shown at your screen. Now I have also taken the 3 terminals from the output side. You can see that this is a R terminal, this is the Y terminal, this is the B terminal, and this one is the neutral terminal. And all these 4 terminal I will connect with this half-wave rectifier, diode based rectifier kit. So let us connect all these 4 terminal in the kit as per the diagram. So friends, this is the R terminal, this is the Y terminal, and this is the B terminal of the output of the variac. So as per the diagram, this R terminal we will connect the anode terminal of the diode D1. This Y will be go toward the anode of the diode D2, and this B terminal also go toward the anode of the diode D3. Now, as per the diagram, all the cathode will be short circuited to each other. So I am going to short circuit the cathode of diode D1 with the diode D2 cathode. The cathode of the diode D2 will be short circuited with the cathode of the diode D3, and the diode D3 cathode or the short circuited terminal will move forward to the positive terminal or one of the phase terminal of the resistor. That means over here I can show you this red terminal. From now this black terminal or another end of the resistor will going to connect with the neutral of the variac. So you can see the whole connection. This R is coming from the variac, this Y is coming from the variac, this B is also coming from the variac, that is the output side, and over here all the cathode of the diode will be short circuited with respect to each other, and the short circuit point will move forward to the uh, one end of the resistor, and the another end of the resistor will be connected with the neutral of the variac. Okay, now we will connect this CRO probe over here across this 1 kilo ohm 5 watt resistor, and we will see that output voltage in the reference of the particular one phase. As CRO having only two channel, we can measure only two voltage at the same time. So first of all we will see the per phase voltage or voltage across the phase R with respect to neutral, and on the same line we will see the voltage across this 1 kilo ohm 5 watt resistor, and that having a waveform of DC. So we will measure the DC voltage over here also, and input voltage over here for the R phase, and at the same time we will see the output and input waveform also. And after that particular reading we will see the performance of the same thing, and we will calculate the different parameters of the three phase half wave uncontrolled rectifier circuit. So friends, now I am going to connect this probe of the CRO. You can see that the probe of the CRO is taken from the channel number 1, and it will going toward this 1 kilo ohm resistor. So positive of the first channel probe I will connect over here the one end of the resistor, and the another terminal of the probe I will connect at the different other end of the resistor. So this is the connection of this CRO. Okay. Now we will connect another probe at the input side also. So friends, now this is another probe which is connected in the channel number 2, and I will connect the first end of that probe in the phase of the phase R, and another terminal of the phase R or diode D1 cathode I will connect with the I will connect with the neutral point of this phase. So I have made the connection. You can see that the first terminal is connected with the R phase, which is coming from this variac, right? And another terminal of the probe is connected with the neutral. So in the channel number 2, we will see the waveform of the R phase, and in the channel number 1, we will see the output voltage waveform, and we will compare both the waveform. So let us now turn on the supply. In order to turn on the supply, we have to just make sure that input voltage must not greater for the compare with the rating of the diode, so that diode cannot be damaged. For the sake of simplicity, we will give the 16 to 17 volt across the each phase VR, VY and VB, and we will measure the input voltage and the output voltage in the multimeter in the range of DC and AC. So let us now turn on the supply. So friends, now I have connected multimeter also. I have connected this multimeter with the input of the supply, and I have made this connection with the R phase, and this multimeter is connected with the output of the rectifier circuit, that is the 1 kilo ohm resistor which having a 5 watt of rating. Okay, and now we will see the output voltage and the all the waveforms. So I am going to turn on the MCB of the power supply. So let me do that. So friends, I have turned on the power supply, so you can take a reading of input voltage AC, which having a 14.8 volt, and this is output voltage reading, that is 17.5 around. Now let us see the waveform of three phase rectifier circuits. So friends, hope you can see that waveform. Second channel will gives you the waveform of input voltage of phase R, and the channel number 1, this one, will having a waveform of DC output voltage. So if I will merge these two waveform, then you can see that it will look very good. So both will incline, and you can easily see that one whole cycle of AC will have a 3 half cycle of output voltage. And if you will see the amplitude of the voltage, then in channel number 1 and also in channel number 2, the stud having a 10 volt per division. So that means this particular one square having a value of 10 volt. So RMS value, peak value is near about 20 volt. Okay, so this is the waveform of DC and the input AC. Now from this waveform and the output voltage and input voltage voltmeter reading, we will find out the performance parameter of this three-phase half-wave rectifier circuit, and that is the RMS current, input, DC current, rectification efficiency, distortion factor, and all these things. So thank you very much for watching this video, and just calculate the whole thing, and you can give me the reply that everything is coming as per the theoretical value or not. So thank you very much.